case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, the Court of Appeals of Indiana weighed in on a consequential family court case known as Marchal v. Craig. The case revolved around the contentious subject of confidential mediation in child custody disputes and raised significant eyebrows over the principle that any evidence collected during failed mediation proceedings could not subsequently be offered up in a courtroom. The dispute involving Keith A. Marehal and Paula Craig arose after the father sought to modify the child custody arrangement, following a mistaken calculation of child support by the court. In an effort to resolve their differences, both parties agreed to mediation, overseen by Dr. John Ehrmann. Yet their attempts failed, forcing the litigation process forward. As the trial continued, the father took issue when Dr. Ehrmann's testimony from the mediation process was considered part of the evidence, supporting the mother's plea for sole legal custody. In a further twist, Marchal claimed an error in the calculation of child support. The court's decision was both a victory and a lesson for Keith Marechal. In a reversal, the court declared that using evidence gathered during failed mediation was a misapplication of the Alternative Dispute Resolution (ADR) rules, supporting the father's objections. The court acknowledged their error in calculating the mother's child support, which was incorrectly deducted due to expenses from her other children. The case was then remanded for a retrial with the stipulation for a new and correct child support calculation. This landmark ruling underscored the significance and necessity of maintaining the impartiality and inviolability of the mediation process within family law disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.